You know, yesterday, Auntie Karen Kiave Hawaii, the legend,
Yes.
sat in for you. And I
Yes.
started the show by saying, Lina girl has the day off. And then I retracted my words because you didn't have the day off.
I worked.
You did. You had a full day of filming and stuff yesterday.
I did.
So.
I can't wait to show you where I went.
Okay, right
You
on.
gotta wait though.
Well, like I said,
Yeah,
I
few days.
apologize. You were working yesterday. All right, you know who was working it big time was the Hawaii Rainbow Warriors men's volleyball team. Of course, they brought home another national championship, and now it's time to celebrate right here on Oahu.
Rainbow fans are invited to a free victory celebration Wednesday night at Stan Sheriff Center. That means doors open at 5:30 p.m. with the event starting at 6.
Now, this is your chance to welcome the 2026 national champs home in style. So you want to, bring some lei or what, just certain things, pins or whatever you got. And just a reminder, the arena's clear bag policy and event rules will be in effect. So make sure you plan ahead before you head out to the Stan Sheriff. And we did that. We went to a football game.
Yep.
And they have
We have
all
the clear
kind of rules,
bags, so we're just keeping everybody safe. Yeah.
Those are the times I wear my cargo pants so I can stuff, a smoothie or an acai bowl or something.
They're gonna pat you down, pull out
I
your
know.
peanut M&Ms. And we are both Rainbow Warrior fans, but are you a fan of Wordle?
Why? What's the scoops?
Well, okay, so there's a new Wordle TV game show. It's officially heading to prime time with a premiere set for 2027. Now, the production company is now casting contestants for the very first season, looking for teams of 3 players to compete for a huge cash prize.
Ooh, you and I should form a team. We just need a third player, sis.
Brother, you're so terrible at Boggle. What makes you think you're going to be good at Wordle? I'm not sure I want you on my team.
This is a true story. I suck at Boggle. Oh my gosh.
Now, hopeful contestants are also being asked to submit a video sharing their love for the popular word game.
We tried this morning. I always go for the hints. There's a website. What is today's Wordle hints? It's today's. If you never do them yet, today's one is crazy. Yeah.
Is that the word?
No.
Oh, you're so terrible.
No, it's not
Did you
crazy.
get C-R-A-Z-Y? Ooh, you.
No, it's not. That's not the word.
Okay.
Oh, you'll get me in trouble. We've had any complaints. But, maybe I can get AI to help me. I use AI a lot, and it is such a useful tool. And in some cities, AI is being used to find potholes.
Brother, I heard you talk about this at the top of the show. What's going on? What's the scoop?
Well, sis, don't get too excited. It's not being used here.
Oh, of course.
But the technology could help Hawaii drivers by alerting government officials to potholes and road damage before conditions get worse.
Companies like Samsara use cameras mounted on trucks and vans to automatically detect potholes and track road conditions over time.
And that could mean quicker repairs, safer roads, and fewer costly tire or suspension problems for drivers all across Hawaii. And of course, the big question is, will they ever bring that technology here? And I said no, because it doesn't make money. It costs money. So,
Right.
you want to talk about traffic cams, you want to talk any of that kind of technology that can, bring in revenue
Right.
for the different counties or for the state. Of course, they're going to jump all over that, but this is going to cost.
I have to tell you honestly, while that particular tech doesn't exist here, I actually use Waze. It's an
Waze
app.
tells you?
So Waze, you can actually, as you are driving, you can alert other drivers that use Waze that there is a hazard coming up, and you can choose the hazard. And one of the hazards is a pothole.
Now, when you alert other drivers, is it voice text?
Yeah,
Or
you can.
kinda just punch them
Well,
in,
yeah,
right?
you shouldn't be using your screen, but you can if you're at a stop, or you can actually say, tell Waze hazard ahead, and then it'll say, then you can say whether or not it's there's a car on the side of the road, or if there police are helping with a particular scene,
that's cool.
or a pothole.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's why you're everybody's favorite auntie.
Don't you call me auntie?
A-U-N-T-Y. Oh, that's not the word of the word
is
either.
that the word of
No, I promise it's not. Okay. It's something different. Okay.
just letting you know.
Yeah.
So what's the Scoops family? What do you think about all these incredible things that are happening today? I mean, technology for the potholes, and of course, our Rainbow Warrior win.
All right, let us know by sending an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com, or you can post a comment directly to this video on our YouTube page. Just search out KITV.